Now that's hot. That's a nice shot. So what's up? Yeah, I'm not in Tahiti or the Philippines or Sri Lanka like Tim Sykes. But you know what? I don't like to fly. So chilling down in Jersey in a house that I built. And real estate is where it's at right now. And like I've been saying, you want to come hang out with me, I'll show you how to make a little bit of money in the beginning of the day, and then run from the stock market, you know? Or, as we've learned over the last couple of weeks, or just buy and don't come back. So there's two things you could do right now. You could try to sit in front of the computer between 9:30 and 11:30 and make a little bit of scratch. But what is the point? Unless you're combining that with the bigger picture that stocks don't go down. Okay? Now, as one of the, let me just show you the view. Chilling on the water. It's not bad. This is the back of the house. All freshly built. Hurricane Sandy, we were pretty much one of the last ones. We were the only ones standing. My neighbor's house is gone, as you can see. In the building, we were the first house to go up 3 stories in the neighborhood. And we have started a trend. One back there, a couple across the street over there. So the area is starting to, it's nice to be a trend center. So we were up on pillars, pylons. So when the water rose up and came up about 10 feet, the entire neighborhood sought shelter in our house. So it's pretty cool, you know. Obviously, I'm very paranoid about ocean level rising up, global warming, and all that stuff. That, again, I'm the only one that's scared of anything, as you've read some of my posts. And if you haven't been following me on StockTwits or Twitter, I'm at HitTheBidRadio. You want some laughs? I gave you basically every reason I was afraid to own stocks over the last 3 or 4 years. And I even forgot the fiscal cliff and sequester. How could I forget about fiscal cliff? It was the last time the VIX actually went up. How could I forget about the fiscal cliff? Remember, that was going to doom America, doom us all, and then the government shutdown? Oh, yeah. So, again, I run a day trading firm. I try to get people to come in, show them a couple of pointers. But one of the most important things about trading is knowing when to switch gears. And over the last 10 days, I think it was, 2 Fridays ago, where the market looked like we were about to roll over. We caught a bid and rallied into the close. That was it. I threw my hands up and I said, hey, you know what? Time to go with the flow. And I took my cue from the cues. Pun intended, I guess. No pun intended, whatever. And I just started looking for stocks that made absolutely no sense to buy. Stocks that people were just hammering, getting down on. There was no hope in sight. Started with the GoGo around 1250. Then FEYE at $25.84. Then, of course, DDD at $47. Even Apple, the Qs. The list goes on and on. And I know there's a few guys on my website, and I just want to say, God bless you guys. I mean, it's the gamblers that are making money right now. Stock starts to move, you buy some in-the-money calls, and you sit back and you love it. How about some CRE options there for you? How about some ITMN? Thursday and Friday, and the reason I'm making this video right now is I will tell you right now, if the NASDAQ futures are not gapped up, and the Dow futures and the S&P futures are not gapped up on Tuesday, free month for everybody. So come and hang out for June on me again. I'm guaranteeing the market gaps up on Tuesday. Now, there's nothing you could do about it right now, so it's not like you could put money in something and have it gap up. But if the market gaps up, everybody on my website is going to make even more money than they did on Thursday and Friday. This is what I call the post 9/11 no terrorism holiday weekend gap up. It's been happening pretty much since 9/11, and I've asked our friend Jeff Hirsch from the Stock Traders Almanac. And again, if you come to the website, I'm more of a cheerleader now than anything. I got my dad, and again, my accounts are closed now. I don't even want to be involved. I'm doing, real estate, so my money's kind of getting locked up in a lot of different ventures that I'm in. But that doesn't mean I can't keep giving you the winners. Penny Gangster on my chat room just absolutely lighting things up. The only one that didn't work out was Solar City, but if you own the stock, it worked out. When you're trading options, you have to be right about the stock and right about That's what it was all about. So, all that being said, if the market doesn't gap up on Tuesday, just say, haha, you were wrong, I want my free month. And I'll let you hang out on the website for a month on me. So you get the whole month of June for nothing. So come see what we do. Come see what it's like. Come see my recommendations. Come see. Come see. Now, yeah, that's it. I'm gonna wrap it up because I know you guys are got a weekend to enjoy. Go get drunk. Rangers tonight. It's gonna be so sick. All right, guys. Be safe. Have fun. And I really truly believe that there's no reason to, think this market's ever going down ever again. Again, that being said, if the QQQ was to break a certain level, maybe I'd be nervous. You don't want to be You don't want to be foolish, but I think the Qs are going to 120, possibly 143 over the next 2 to 3 years. I'm going to sit back. I think 3D printing, the tide has turned for the stock. You hang on to it. Yeah, it would have been great if we bought the $50.50 calls for $1 and sold them at $5. Well, we did, but we only bought like 2. But for you gambling maniacs out, this is your time. This is your time, you gambling bullish maniacs. This is your time to shine. Go for it. And if you need some incentive, and this is where I'm going to wrap up this video. If you need some incentive, you need some guy to say, do it, do it, do it. I'm your pusher, baby. If you're debating whether or not to hold a stock, oh, you think your stock's going to go down? No. See, all the rules have changed again. Usually you don't want to hold a stock overnight, right? Oh, the stock's closing weak. Oh, you might as well sell. It's probably going to get worse the next day. No, it's going to gap up the next day and go up, baby. And if it doesn't happen the next day, you wait 3 days. You wait 3 days. As long as you don't own Ameren, Walter Energy, or MCP, you're going to be all right. And even KNDI, that stock looks like it finally has some buyers coming back in. And Cena, come on, man. You guys made like 300% on your money on Friday. God bless you. God bless you. See ya. I'll give you a quick tour. That's the kitchen. This is a beach house, by the way. That's the kitchen of our beach house. Your TV, little dining room. I'm not going to go into the 4 bedrooms upstairs, but we got 1 bedroom down here. Zoop. Bedroom right here. Bang. And then we got the upstairs where the 4 other bedrooms are. Downstairs, garages. I'll take you outside for a second. It's good times, man. It's good times. I like the fact that I started this trend of everybody building up. Now you see a couple of houses left now that are monstrous. Got a couple of guys going up over there. I'll give you a big... There she blows. This house used to be that little blue one over there. We knocked it down, built this thing, and now everybody's building up. So the housing prices should be going up. And if it wasn't for me being the only Jew in a 50-mile radius of this neighborhood, it'd be even better. But you know what? I tell everybody I'm Italian anyway.